My project is the automatic electric bike shifter. So this project can automatically and electrically shift a bike. Essentially, in most bikes you have to mechanically shift a lever, which would pull on a steel cable, and that would pull on this derailleur here. But those can get stretched, they can basically wear out, go out of shape. So we have a servo that's mechanically connected to this derailleur, and the servo is much easier to tune if you need to. All you need to do is send the correct electrical signal to this servo and it can shift this gear appropriately. As far as automatic shifting goes, the bike can intelligently sense when you should shift up or shift down. And essentially we take account for the user's pedaling speed with this sensor here, and we actually have a magnet in the crank here that when it passes the sensor, it provides an input to our microcontroller. You know, it's been a lot of work. I think the hardest part was just deciding how we were going to implement this servo here. I guess that was the hardest part for me. I was personally in charge of this block. Dennis took care of the sensor and the buttons and stuff, making sure all that worked. And then Leon took care of the screen and the microcontroller and a lot of the code. So a lot of it was just deciding how we were going to approach the problem. We wanted this project because we thought it would be essentially a lot of fun to do. We knew we could do some microcontroller coding, which was needed, and operating some power electronics concepts like taking a battery and stepping down its voltage to appropriate levels for the system. Those kind of things we were very confident we could get done. I think as far as the experience goes, and like I've said in my project video, you just have to make it fun for yourself. That's the key.